Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be working on 2013 Porsche Carrera, and for some customization we're doing black wheels, red calipers, changing side markers to clear, and changing the emblems from chrome to black. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright, we got the car in the shop on the left. We're gonna remove the wheels, putting black wheels, getting rid of those orange side markers. Also doing the calipers red, tinting the windows all around, tinting the windows, and then also getting rid of this chrome. We're gonna black it out and should be good to go. We got the wheels in the spray booth. Time to paint in black. Mr. Jose is doing his job, killing it. We're doing black color. It's gonna look nice and clean. Painted, came out nice and clean. Tomorrow we'll paint the calipers red. Alright, we're taping the car down, covering so we didn't get any overspray. Time to paint the calipers red. The whole car is taped, masked, and ready to go. Brakes, rotors are clean, prepped, and ready for paint. That's the front ones. Alright, the wheels are painted and ready to be installed. Came out clean. Same with the calipers. Bam. It looks so much better than the gray ones or black ones or whatever he had before. Way better. Way better. Damn. Damn, Daniel. And same with the back. Fresh. Before, after. Alright, we're doing window tinting on this 911 Carrera. That's the old emblem chrome, and we're gonna replace it with the black one. And here's the after blackout emblem. Alright, the windows are tinted. Came out nice and clean, nice and dark. Time to take the car to the car wash, get it all washed in detail, and ready for delivery. I just picked up the Porsche from the car wash. Damn, came out so nice. Love this combination, white with black.